human brain. Have you ever experienced such a situation? You are studying in your classroom, your mind drifts to your friend who has promised to play with you in the evening. A smile flashes on your face and then suddenly you are back to the moment. You look shyly at teacher, hoping she has not noticed your absence of mind. It is like your brain is always on the go. Brain controls the thinking and feeling, remembering the lessons you learn, way of moving and talking. Brain also enable you recognize the things by smelling, watching, hearing, etc. It is our brain that controls the things like beating of heart, tiredness of body and mind and digestion of the food. Similarly, animals also have the senses to see, hear, smell, taste and feel. Come, let us know about their superb abilities.